Now let us look at card frauds and card cloning. You share your card details with strangers whom you trust to be legitimate. Think for a minute. Think for a moment. Why will bank or for that matter any agency need to verify your card details? No bank in the world or card provider companies ask for confidential security credentials like expiry date, card number, PIN code, social security number, CVV number, or the 3-digit code on the reverse of the card, one-time password or high security code. Cyber criminals are telemarketers who will call you to get your CVV number, security code, PIN code, OTP, password, expiry date on the card, and so on. Alert, don't be a victim. They create a sense of urgency for you to act quickly. They offer freebies like a foreign trip, bonus reward points, free hotel stay, beautiful goodies, etc. They give you a coupon code, bumper prize, lottery prize, a gift hamper, a cash prize of US dollar 2 million or amount that you would have never dreamt of. They would ask you to pay a small maintenance and handling fees for postage, courier, parcel or some legal or custom clearance. That all is rubbish. There is nothing as such which is there for any prize money claim. They will also trick you to share your bank account details like your bank account number, your credit card or debit card or travel card or prepaid card number. They will arrange a courier to pick up your check or even cash from your doorstep. They will ask you to keep this information confidential and don't talk to anybody about it, to anyone you know or even your lawyer, bank, consumer court or protection agency like police force, etc. They will ask you not to give any references and they don't need to know how much you owe or how much you would win. They lure you with no pain, all gains offer. They will keep an expiry date of offer so that to create a sense of urgency. Now let us look at some of the preventive tips. Don't pay for free stuff. Don't pay till you actually receive the goods and services promised. Don't share any bank or credit card details with anyone, even if the person claims to be from Reserve Bank of India, Federal Bureau of Investigation, CBI, CID or any law enforcement agency, bank or credit card companies. Don't rely on documents attached in email. They are created using computer-based document editing tools. Don't rely on phone calls, even if it seems to be from a legitimate voice. The voice is spoofed using computer or tools available on the internet. Don't trust anyone over the invisible channel. Don't trust anyone on social media unless their credentials are endorsed. Don't trust companies or individuals who force you to act in a time-bound manner. When in doubt, ask people around whom you know. Check out with the local police or bank or knowledge forums like Quora if you don't know anyone. No insurance company, banks, credit card department, regulatory bodies like Reserve Bank of India, SEBI, Demat or trading broker, income tax authorities, custom authorities, revenue authorities will ask you to share your details over the call. They will never intimate or force you to pay your dues or certain benefits like policy bonus, rebate, refund, limit extension over the phone calls. All of their communication is through written communication only. Now let us look at credit card and debit card cloning. Fraudster attached a small portable device and a camera to capture your PIN and a magnetic stripe to encode your data at an ATM or a point of sale terminal known as card skimmer or card cloner. If you just Google or search it on YouTube about card skimmer or card cloners, you will know how does a card skimmer looks like. This device duplicates your card details and pass it on to the cyber criminals. They immediately prepare the duplicate card. The card is ready to be used for withdrawals at ATM, to shop online, to shop at the POS terminals, restaurant, malls, jewelry merchant or ticket counter. The skimmer is placed between the ATM card slot when you insert the card to draw cash, or attached to a back of point of sale machine. Even chip based card or EMV card are not foolproof. They can be cloned using sophisticated high cost skimmers. Now how do we detect this skimmer or card cloners? Check at the ATM card slot for green light. If the light is off, the skimmer might be present. Check for loose card slot by touching the slot. Slightly tap the keypad attached. Add-on fake keypad will have a bulge touch. If a keypad is capturing your fingerprint, check if there is any way where you can see if it is capturing your fingerprint. Visually inspect the surroundings where you enter an ATM for an unusual holes or light placed.